I'm using this gap filling CA glue from Satellite City Glues. I'm making an end grain cherry bowl. Cherry is notorious for splitting. You can see all the cracks forming around the edge. Soak this into the rim because I don't want it to stain the bowl to where I can't sand it out. So since it is end grain, I'm hoping this will just soak right in there. I'm not using the light, I'm using the gap filling, not thin, and I don't want to use the thick. I do want it to soak in. This is like soaking in perfect right now. So that will soak down into some of these cracks. See here the glue's coming out of the crack. That is perfect. I want that to go in. If I can see it coming out of that crack and it's saturating it.